A windstorm from 11 November. I am relatively unscathed. However, this behemoth knocked out some power to my neighbors, covered in the back parking lot, took out some electrical. Missing his truck. Kind of like picking my way through here. Yep, these are pretty damn big. This car. This is just a branch. Yeah, that's his house. Then that's the exit. Another widowmaker. Now you know why they kind of call them that. These trees go up hundreds of feet, and these branches weigh hundreds of pounds and come down. My neighbor. Walkway to the restaurant. Pretty clear out to the street, but Highway 9 got popped. I mean, it was closed for a while. You just got trees falling all over the place. I think we're still the only ones with power. Yeah, town still doesn't have power. We have power because the restaurant has its own generator. So these are all these little gifts that are given to us. There's my bike in the background. I don't know if you can see it. I had 2 trees come down. One came down last winter. Nearly took me out. More widowmakers. Oh, you're going to enjoy this. This tree has been here for a very long time. See those branches way up there? Well, they've got one less because it's come down on my neighbor's house. One, two, three, four. Hi, just filming.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning to you. Didn't realize it had come down quite so hard on you.
Right, it's really, with the ornaments on it, make it a Christmas tree.
Yeah, free Christmas tree.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy your day.
Okay, you too.
And then, like I said, hit and miss around this place. Had one branch come out of one of my trees and missed my truck. The leaves are just all over the place. Okay, one more day of this stuff.